Quick review on the DEKO 228 piece toolkit. It's got a nice box, carry handle, latches. It has what is included noted on the back of the box. Taking a look inside here, pop the latches, flip it up. Tools are stored on both sides. This is going to be a perfect kit for somebody, small apartment, not someone doing a bunch of weekend warrior projects, but needs a decent tool set to assemble your occasional piece of prefabricated furniture, bicycle, grill, something like that. This is going to be an ideal set for those types of occasions. This is also a perfect set for a gift idea. Just got all your basic essentials covered. Pliers, sockets, bits, Allen wrenches, electrical tools, level, screwdrivers, tape measure. So just all your essentials are kind of covered across the board with this kit, and then everything pops into place so it stows away nicely and then easy to fold back up, put back into storage. So nice tool set, great for somebody who just needs a small kit that doesn't take up a lot of space. Not really made for somebody who's going to be doing a lot of intense DIY work, but a good kit to have around nonetheless, and a great gift.